Welcome home. This is a very monumental day for myself, but I guess you can probably tell I bought a house. Not just one house, I bought a duplex, 2 units, and here we are. This is my very first real estate purchase I've ever had. So my goal with these units is to basically turn one side into an Airbnb and the other side into either short-term rental like an Airbnb or long-term rental. So I'm gonna be documenting the entire thing. I have a long to-do list of things I have to do while I'm here. So before we get into that, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Camo Crocs. But this is the front door right when you walk in. We turn right here. I have the living room here with a gigantic rug there in the corner. Yeah, this is a pretty decently sized room right here. And right here we have a sliding door that goes out to the patio, but we'll get into that in a little bit. But if we come down this way, we're gonna come to the kitchen. Before it looked this open, there used to be like essentially like a wall right here that kind of divided the kitchen from this area here. But then opened it up and it's much nicer this way, I think. This is the open shelving we have right here. Have washer, dryer, dishwasher, brand new. Look at that sink. Beautiful sink. All right, so let's go into the rooms. The top unit is a 3-bedroom. If we come inside here, here's 1 bedroom here. We have I have some twin size beds in here. Nice closet right here. And here's the other bedroom number 2. A bunk bed in here, another closet. So that's bedroom 2. And then over here we have one of the bathrooms in here. Yep, just like that. And this is the master bedroom right here. And we have the second bathroom right here. Very nice. So that concludes the tour of this upper unit. I still have the lower unit, but that one is it's not in the best condition right now. So I'll show you guys that in a later video, but I gotta go down my to-do list. I gotta build some furniture, have some tools. I'm gonna sweep out a little bit of the outside, and I'm waiting for just a bunch of packages that are just arriving here, and I just wanna be there to receive them. All right, it's gonna be quite a bit of a day. Let's get to work. These are the pillow protectors. Yep, these are the pillows. Stick these together. These twin bed frames are in the wrong room, so I'm gonna be putting it in there. This one has the bunk bed, so I'm gonna be putting it in there. So first order is to just move things in their correct room. So I'm gonna start off with the twin beds. These ones seem like the most simplest one to make. Let's do this. That's 1 bed down, 2 to go. That wasn't so bad. I also forgot to do one thing before setting up those beds, is to just do like a light sweep. Just make sure there's like no just residual dust or dirt or something. So I gotta do that now too. Oh! Broom, dustpan, let's go. I have to pick up a rug in about 20 minutes or in about 30 minutes or so. So here is the twin room. I got both of the twin beds all made. It was honestly not that bad. IKEA beds, you know. So simple. All right, just got back from picking up the rug. Here it is right there. And we also got a whole bunch more Amazon packages here. And my mom is helping me like interior design this entire thing. I know nothing about interior design. I just know that, you know, things look nice together. I have my refund check right here. The door lever. Oh, it's the mattress protector. Yep. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. I'm going down my checklist of things I have to do today, specifically for today. So I got the check. But yeah, there's just a lot of things that just go into, first of all, starting your own Airbnb. Yeah, it's around lunchtime. I'm not that hungry right now, so I'm not gonna eat. All right, what are we doing now? Right here, we got this cabinet thing for free. It's a little bit damaged here, but you know, we can easily fix that. Also got this rug or carpet or whatever you want to call this. This one was, I think 45. It also came with curtains. There's that free rug. That table, by the way, is 25. And then we also have more stuff. This chair was free. These twin beds right here. This is 150 for both of them. This rug was like 25. And then this bed with the comforter or with the mattresses was 55. Those shoe racks right here, those were free. That was free. It was the legs. There's some curtains in here. That one was along with that carpet in the living room. And then all this stuff from Amazon. Of course, I paid for that. Part of it too was some of them got lost, so I had to like open up a ticket with them to like basically refund me or, you know, send the exact copies over. And so that was cool. It is almost 2 o'clock, so I have about an hour and a half left here, and I'm gonna start heading back before traffic, because I don't like sitting through traffic, and it's like an hour away from where we're staying. So just trying to finish up the last of these things. This is day one. Let's do this. One last thing before I head out of here. I'm gonna do a little bit of sweeping. As you can see, lots of leaves, lots of trash. So I just left the house. That's the end of this video. Stay tuned for more episodes as we go along. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers to this investment journey. So see you guys in the next one.